Tired of typing every product into Odoo by hand? Discover how to bulk import your entire product list in minutes. We'll walk through the import tools step by step, from locating the import option to uploading your file and mapping fields. First, navigate to the homepage of your Odoo dashboard. Then click on Sales from that homepage to get into the Sales area. Now, go up to the top bar and click on Products. Then click on Products once more to continue. Next, look for the small gear icon at the top left and click it. Then, from the menu that pops up, click Import. Now, click Upload and choose your file from the computer. Once it loads, you'll need to map each column by selecting a field. Finally, click Import at the top left corner to bring everything in. And that's it. Your products are imported. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.